Open the project for the hooked model. Select the body option in the Model Structure menu of the Parameters panel. Open the File option in the menu bar, click on the Export sub-option to export as an STL file. We can open and view STL files in freecad. Let's launch the slicing software now. Load an STL model into slicing software. Rotate the model to make it easier for 3D printing. We need to set the support structure parameters for this model for 3D printing. We are currently performing a slicing operation. We can see the estimated print time provided by the slicing software for reference. We are modifying the spacing between the support structure and the model in the XY plane for 3D printing, and we have set it to 2 mm. Run the slicing operation again. We can now export G-code files to a local disk. Thanks for watching.